What's going on, guys, and welcome to Nice World TV. We have a great show for you today. Today we're actually going to be diving into something super new, and it's actually making waves worldwide, and that is Kling AI, the powerful cinematic world video generation platform developed by one of China's biggest tech companies. Now is officially available for users around the globe. Kling's AI actually allows anyone, and yes, anyone, to create short, high-quality videos just by typing a description. From realistic wildlife scenes to futuristic robot battles or even dreamlike fantasy animations. This tool brings your ideas to life in a matter of minutes. In this actual video, we'll walk through exactly what Kling AI is, how it actually works, and what features have actually been rolled out in 2025. So whether you're actually a filmmaker, a content creator, or someone on social media, you just want awesome videos, this video is definitely for you guys. So you know what? Let's get straight into it. Now let's actually start with what is Kling AI? So Kling AI is actually an AI-powered video generation platform that turns text prompts or a combination of text and image into short videos. Think of it like Midjourney, but instead of producing still images, you get dynamic, moving scenes with lighting, camera movement, and even sometimes shockingly realistic details. Now let's actually talk about what Kling AI can actually do, and trust me, it's more than you would actually expect from actually a web-based tool. So first off, you can use text-only prompts, or you can upload a still image to guide the visual style and composition of the actual video. This gives you flexibility depending on how much control you actually want over the overall results. This is important for tailoring actual content to different platforms, so whether you're posting on things like TikTok, Instagram, or even YouTube. Another impressive feature is Kling's camera control options. So you can actually define how the camera moves in the actual scene, whether it's static, it's panning left or panning right, it's tightening up or tightening down, or it's even rolling, or it's even vertical or even horizontal motion. For a lot of creators, this gives a real cinematic layer of expression that isn't available in simple tools. Kling also supports multilingual prompts with solid support for both English and also Mandarin, which opens the door for massive global user base, which I absolutely love. All right, guys, now let's jump into the actual process. So what we're gonna do right now, I'm gonna walk you through actually creating an animal wrapping from scratch. So I'll actually walk you through it step by step. So step number one, what you have to do, you'll see a clean, simple interface with a few options, which are text box, genre, voice selection, and that's it. Step number two is choose your genre. For this one, you can choose any type of genre you actually like. Any type of music you like, go for it. Step number three is enter the lyrics or the actual concept. Now this is the actual fun part. You don't actually have to write the full lyrics. Just give Kling a short idea of exactly what you're looking for. Step number four is pick a voice. So Kling actually gives you several AI generated voices to choose from. So you can go for male, female, deep, robotic, or even cartoon sounding. But truth is, you can go for whatever tickles your actual fancy at the time. Step number five, click generate and actually just wait. So after you do that now, just hit the generate button and let the magic happen. Kling is now writing the lyrics, producing the beat, selecting the cadence, and mixing the vocals, all automatically in a matter of minutes. Kling AI's digital avatar brings your actual videos to life with precise lip syncing and emotional control. Create seamless content where avatars can smile, they can laugh, and they can express in other ways tools just cannot match. Elevate your actual content with Kling's 1080p, high frame rate results, and watch your digital avatar jump into action with flawless motion and expressions, making every single frame count. But here's some of the actual key points I want to highlight to you about this now. The number one is the fact it has awesome lip sync and singing results even in challenging scenes. Number two is support human-like or animal characteristics in multiple styles. Number three, it is up to 1 minute generation. I repeat that again, 1 minute generation, guys. Number four, it is more emotions, more expressions and actions via the actual prompt. Then lastly, you have is the multilingual support, which we already know is super, super important. But the actual amazing thing with this feature, it is just released, and everyone actually needs to use and create top tier viral clips of animals rapping and singing on TikTok, because you know why? It's going viral, guys. So if you want to get these numbers, you need to start doing it. Now let's actually go through Kling AI's upgraded image model. So with this now, you can choose over 60 different artistic styles to transform any image. So after generating your image, you can click restyle and instantly transform it into completely different artistic styles without starting over from the beginning. This saves you tons of credits when you want to experiment with different looks. Here's how it actually works and how to actually use it. So let's say you generate an image of a girl standing in a bright sunshine. Click restyle and type transform the environment to nighttime with city lights and neon glow. Keep the same girl and pose and watch it transform while keeping the exact same subject and composition at the same time. What you will have is the same girl, same pose, but now she's standing in a beautiful nighttime city scene. You can see it automatically change the entire background from daylight to nighttime. Added realistic city lights and neon reflex while perfectly maintaining the same girl's face, her pose, along also with her clothing. The lighting on her actual face now matches the nighttime environment and it looks completely realistic. This feature alone can save you hundreds of credits while giving you endless creativity possibilities. Now let's walk through how to use image to video on Kling AI. So I'll use version 1.5 or higher to show the upgraded functionality. So step number 1, guys, is ensure you are on a plan that supports image to video for upgraded models. Some standard tiers versus Pro have more features. Step number 2 is select your model. So in the user interface, choose the model version. If you want higher motion or even more resolutions and better prompt followings, select one of the newer ones. For example, Kling AI 1.5 Pro or Kling AI 2.1. Okay, so step number 3 is upload your images as references. So this is your actual starting point. So you can actually often upload a single image, for example, a face, an object, or even a scene, or multiple reference images for consistency. Example, the same image in different poses. This helps actually maintain consistency in appearance throughout the whole video. So step number 4, guys, is the prompt and setting. So after you image upload, you can add text and prompts for motion, style, camera movement, environment, etc. But the thing is, there are some important settings you must pay attention to at all times. So the first one is the duration. The second one is the resolution aspect ratio. So that could be 720p, 1080p, or others if supported. Number 3, it is the frame rate. And then number 4, it is the motion settings. So how much movement do you actually want the camera? Do you want it to do panning? Do you want it to zoom? Do you want stabilizations, etc.? You need to have all these things organized. Step number 5 now, guys, it is the beautiful image to video feature. So you can animate any static image in just a few steps. So let me actually show you right away how to actually do this. So click on the actual image to video and you'll see that you can upload an image. You have to give Kling clear direction on how to animate your image while maintaining the quality and realism you actually are looking for, okay? So step number 6 and last one, guys, is to generate/preview. So once everything is all set, you click the button generate. From there, you might have to wait a few seconds, but don't worry, depending on the actual model or actual load credits, you will see the preview and then the full version. Some models allow for extensions for video length, although sometimes it might be limited, but that is how you do it, guys. Very easy and very simple. So is Kling AI the future of video generations? The truth is, it is. And the reason why, because it's fast, it's powerful, and it's very accessible. It's already been used by hundreds of thousands of people all around the globe because they see the quality it brings and how it makes their content absolutely be transformed. And the reason why is because it is making them produce amazing numbers due to the quality, guys. So guys, make sure to look in the description below and get signed up straight away and get editing. Because you know in 2025 it's super important to make an impact. And using Kling AI, you can definitely hit that impact online, through social media, through marketing, because it's there to absolutely help you guys. So like I always say, I believe in you because you believe in yourself, the universe believes in you, but most importantly, like I just said, you believe in yourself at all times. So guys, get creating and I will see you next time. Like I always say, Nice World TV, we're out, guys. See you later.